booming wave crashing the rock. Sounds, noises, but really quiet. Imagine sitting on the white sand and staring blankly, inhaling a deep breath and exhaling slowly. I wanna go there if I feel upset. I love the wave, beach, and ocean. I ever think why the wave in ocean is scary, but why the wave in beach is shooting. It's the same waves, but it has a different mode. I don't want to dive more deep because I cannot swim. I just like the side version of you, the small waves. I'm afraid the big wave drag me into the ocean. If I forcefully chase you to fall, it's very dangerous, isn't it? So, just let me see you from afar.